All right, this is team 18092 robot inspection. Team member Quentin is doing the inspection. Go ahead, Quentin.
Okay, so
Just start right at the top.
okay. So we have the robot with all of the parts that we use in our playing. We're currently testing it right now. The warning label is put right here.
You need to, yep, okay.
The robot does not contain any components that can damage the playing field. It also does not contain any materials that are hazardous, and it
Oops, sorry.
put in these stoppers to stop us from getting stuck on the rings, and also these fenders so that we can get stuck. And then
We should do the tape measure for this one. So we don't have a sizing box, but we have a tape measure.
so we go from here, crossed.
So yep, it's
See
going
it.
from right there
So you
over
can see
to here. Okay, and then across the front. Okay. And then height. Okay. Just show them this one too, just to make sure that they're both the same height. Okay.
So there's no sharp edges on these robots.
Okay.
We do not contain any animal-based liquid or gel materials in the robot. We do not contain anything that would cause a delay in the match.
Go ahead and mark them off as you're going.
Oh yeah. And then we do not contain any elements that ground the robot to the playing field. We don't contain any closed gas devices or hydraulic devices, and we also do not have any vacuum-based mechanism of the robot. You can see the team members visible from here and here. The lines marker is right here. Yeah, and on that side. The energy is all coming from this battery that we have right there, and it's from the approved battery. And there's nothing on here that can be launched out of, except for of course the rings. And then all of the components that we have on our robot are from allowable raw materials and from the commercial off-the-shelf products. So the main power switch is installed correctly right here. And all the batteries, this is in here. Lift it out. We do only have one battery pack, which is still again right there. Have we had to replace any fuses?
No.
So yeah, we have not had to replace any fuses.
But we do have the fuse right there.
Yeah. And then the electronic devices are powered right here from the battery, and then also right here. And also the expansion hub, which is right here.
Yep.
And the controller hub is attached to the battery. We do not have any of the Rev Spark mini motor controllers, so they're not powered. As you can see, we have the sensors. We have a color sensor right
Go ahead
there
and lift it up.
that you can see, and that is connected from to the battery. And then we have another sensor that's right there, and that tells us how much. And then we also have our camera, which is connected through here, and then it goes up to here into the battery.
Yep.
And our light sources, which is these LEDs, are not focused or directed in any way, and they're
Powered by the blinking.
yeah, and they're powered by the blinking. So the video recording devices, we don't have any of those on our robot. The controller Android device, we don't use that, do we?
We have the control hub on there
wait,
instead.
We have the control hub. And
And
we
then
have
we have the phone on the controller.
and we have the phone on the controller. And the motor and servo controllers are all.
Yep.
And we have the 8 DC motors. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and then 8. And the 12 servos, we don't have all 12, but we have one right here, one right here, or 2, 3, and then 4. We are using the correct sensors, and they are all attached from the sensor to the control hub. And we have the power and the motor control wires are right here, at the correct size and the correct colors. We do not have any, we're not grounded to the robot, so, and this we don't have anything modified, so, and our robot does not damage the playing field at all with these.
Okay, go ahead and turn it on so we can see the lights and how everything initializes. Okay, good job, Quentin.